Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, as you can see, Canon MG5750, so 5700 series printer, and now I'm going to show you how to connect your mobile device to your printer, how to connect your printer to your mobile device using mobile application. So, to do it, you just need to open the App Store on your device if you are using the iOS device. So just find in App Store application. If you are using Android device, just find in Play Store. So open App Store or Play Store and find here Canon Print. Find here this application, Canon Print Inject and Selfie. Click download and wait a while. Then click open. Agree with user agreements. Click allow. Search for newbie printers. Click allow. Wait a while. And great, that's it. As you can see, my printer was successfully connected with my mobile device, but it was automatically only because my printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. If your printer is not connected to the Wi-Fi network, so you can't connect using mobile app to your printer. So firstly, you will need to set up mobile network. I have the video in my channel of how to do it. So just open our channel and find here Canon 5700 series, how to connect to Wi-Fi, and in this way you will find our video about how to connect your printer to the Wi-Fi network, and then you will be able to easily set up the Wi-Fi network on your device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.